Hi everyone. Yesterday our complete the second unit operational amplifier. Okay, and today start now the unit 3 operational amplifier linear systems. Okay, in that consist of different points. In that the concept of virtual ground, inverting amplifier, non-inverting amplifier, voltage follower, summing amplifier. In that the adder, operational amplifier, differential amplifier, subtractor, differentiator, integrator, current to voltage converter and voltage to current converter. Okay, these different articles, okay, or points in consist of a unit 3 in a operational amplifier linear systems. Okay, in that first point, okay, here shows the what is the virtual ground. Okay, virtual ground कशाला म्हणायचं, concept of the virtual ground. Okay, here first point is the virtual ground. Okay, first we see the what is virtual ground. Okay, as the name indicates, it is a virtual. Okay, name indicates the it is virtual, not real ground. Okay, not a real ground, it is a virtual. For some purpose we can consider it as a equivalent to ground. Okay, in a different some purpose we can consider that it as the equivalent or same to as the ground. Okay, in operational amplifiers the term virtual ground means that the voltage at that particular mode is almost equal to ground voltage. Okay, ground voltage, that means the zero voltage. Okay, in that the operational amplifier terms, in this virtual ground means, what is the virtual ground? Virtual ground means that the voltage at that particular mode, okay, is almost equal to the ground voltage. Okay, that means the ground voltage gives to the voltage is the 0 volt. That means the equal. That means the 0 volt. Okay, virtual ground voltage is equal to the ground voltage. Okay, it is not a physically connected to ground. Okay, it is a not फिजिकली कनेक्ट, ते डायरेक्टली फिजिकली किंवा डायरेक्टली ते ग्राउंडला कनेक्ट केलेलं असतं का, नाही आहे. दिस कन्सेप्ट इज व्हेरी युजफुल इन अ ॲनालिसिस ऑफ operational amplifier circuit and it will make a lot of calculations very simple. Okay, this concept is very useful in analysis of operational amplifier circuit. Operational amplifier circuit मध्ये virtual ground हा concept useful आहे and it will make a lot of calculations very simple. Okay, in that the virtual ground in a operational amplifier. Okay, here draw the diagram of the operational amplifier virtual ground. Okay, these are the operational amplifier. Input voltage is connected through the resistor in a inverting terminal. Okay, and non-inverting terminal connected is a ground, that means the 0 volt. Okay, here output voltage V0, V out. Okay, input voltage is a V in. R1 resistor is the input resistor and here output is connected through the resistor. Okay, connected through the resistor and this resistor is a feedback resistor REF. Okay, and here V1 and V2 voltage. V1 is non-inverting terminal is connected to the ground, that means the 0 volt. Okay, and here this point, okay, this point is called as a virtual ground. Okay, and this virtual ground is equal to the ground voltage, that means the V2. Second input is the inverting terminal, V2 is equal to 0. Okay, in that the virtual ground in an operational amplifier C. Let's see the how the virtual ground concept is employed in the inverting amplifier. Okay, in that the using the infinite voltage gain, here used for the voltage gain is the infinite. We already know that an ideal operational amplifier will provide the infinite voltage gain. Okay, this operational amplifier is ideally provide the infinite gain. For real operational amplifier also the gain will be very high, such that we can consider it as a infinite for calculation purpose. Okay, in a practically a real operational amplifier gain will be gives to the very high gain. Okay, so that we can consider it as a infinite for calculations in a purpose. So gives to the gain gain of operational amplifier. Okay, gain of the operational amplifier A is equal to the ratio of the output voltage into the input voltage. That means the A is equal to V0 upon V in. Okay, in that, as the gain is the infinite, gain is the infinite, so input voltage V0 is equal to, so input voltage V in is equal to 0. Okay, and in that here V in is equal to V2 minus V1. That means the difference between the two input voltages, V2 minus V1. Okay, in the above circuit V1 is connected to the ground. Okay, in this circuit shows the V1 is connected to the ground, so here V1 is equal to 0. That means the ground voltage is a 0 volt. Thus the V2 also will be of the ground potential. Okay, V2 is again the ground potential. That means the virtual ground is equal to the ground voltage. That means the V2 is equal to here 0. Okay, so in that, why we need the virtual ground? Virtual ground ची का गरज आहे? Why we need virtual ground? Okay, in that the virtual ground concept is very useful in analysis of an operational amplifier. Okay, when negative feedback is employed, here negative feedback is employed, it will simply a lot of calculations and derivations. Okay, here use the negative feedback, so here simply the lot of the calculations and derivations. Okay, these are the virtual ground concept. Okay, समजला virtual ground concept कशाला म्हणायचं? virtual ground ऑपरेशन एम्प्लीफायर मध्ये कसा यूज केला जातो? In simply the names indicate that the virtual not a real ground. So in that the operational amplifier terms virtual ground means that the voltage at that particular mode is almost equal to the ground voltage. That means the zero voltage. म्हणजे जिथं virtual ground असतं तिथलं व्होल्टेज हे किंवा त्या इनपुटचं व्होल्टेज हे काय असतं? 0 volt असतं. Okay, then next new article here shows the inverting amplifier. Okay, first article सगळ्यांना समजलेलं आहे in a virtual ground. Okay, then second article is the inverting amplifier. Inverting amplifier. Okay, in that an inverting amplifier also known as a inverting operational amplifier or as an inverting op-amp is a type of operational amplifier circuit. हा काय one of the type of the operational amplifier circuit which produces an output which is out of phase with respect to the input by 180 degree. Okay, its output काय असतं? In a produce the output is out of phase with respect to the input by 180 degree. That means that if the input pulse is positive, okay, here the input pulse is positive, then the output pulse will be negative. म्हणजे इनपुट आपण पॉझिटिव्ह पल्स दिला असेल तर आउटपुट काय भेटणार आहे? निगेटिव्ह भेटणार आहे. ओके, इन द इन्व्हर्टिंग एम्प्लिफायर दॅट मीन्स द आउट ऑफ फेज विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू its input by 180 degree. Okay, here figure shows the inverting amplifier. Draw the figure in a inverting amplifier. Okay, operational amplifier, here connected input through the one resistor, inverting terminal, here non-inverting terminal is ground, input voltage VI, okay, current flowing through the II, okay, input resistor RI, okay, here input is the V1 and V2, so current flowing through the I2, okay, output is the V0 plus VCC minus VEE, okay, then output is connected to the input through the resistor in a feedback resistor REF. Okay, here in this V1 input flowing through the current is the I1. Okay, here feedback resistor flowing through the current is the current through the here IF. Okay, this IC is the 741 IC. Okay, this figure shows the an inverting operational amplifier built by using an operational amplifier and in that the two resistors. Okay, using a one operational amplifier and two resistors. Okay, here we apply the input signal to the inverting terminal. याच्यामध्ये काय केलेलं आहे, इनपुट सिग्नल हा इन्व्हर्टिंग टर्मिनलला दिलेला आहे. ओके, दॅट इज द V1 व्होल्टेज ऑफ द ऑपरेशन एम्प्लीफायर व्हाया द रेजिस्टर. कशा थ्रू दिलेलं आहे, व्हाया रेजिस्टर RI. ओके, दिस RI रेजिस्टर इज द इनपुट रेजिस्टर. वी कनेक्ट द नॉन इन्व्हर्टिंग terminal to ground. Okay, we connect the non-inverting terminal, that means the second voltage, V2 voltage. Okay, is a connected to terminal connected to the ground, that means the 0 volt. Okay, further we provide the feedback. Here provide the feedback necessary to stabilize the circuit. Okay, here feedback का use केलेला आहे. Further we provide the feedback necessary to stabilize the circuit and hence to connect or hence to control to the output through a feedback resistor REF. Okay, control to the output voltage through a feedback resistor REF. REF resistor ह्या थ्रू काय केलं जातं, तर आउटपुट व्होल्टेज हे कंट्रोल केलं जातं. ओके, दॅट मीन्स हिअर प्रोव्हाइड अ फीडबॅक नेसेसरी टू स्टॅबिलाइज द सर्किट अँड हेन्स टू कनेक्ट or control the output through a feedback resistor REF. Okay, in that mathematical the voltage gain offered by the circuit. Okay, mathematically voltage gain AV. Here right now the mathematically voltage gain AV is equal to ratio of the output voltage into input voltage VI. P0 upon VI. Okay, here in that where VI minus V1 is equal to II RI. Okay, and V1 minus V0 is equal to IF into REF. Okay, in that the VI is the input voltage. Okay, V1 into V1 is equal to II input current, I current flowing through the I resistor, RI resistor. Okay, V1 minus V0 input voltage minus output voltage is equal to feedback current flowing through the feedback resistor REF. Okay, however we know that an ideal operational amplifier has infinite input impedance due to which the currents flowing into the its input terminal are 0. Okay, which the current flowing into its input terminal are 0. That is the I1 is equal to I2 is equal to 0. Okay, that is the current flowing through the input terminal I1 is equal to I2 is equal to 0. Thus the II is equal to IF. Thus the II is equal to IF. Okay, II is the current flowing through the RI resistor. Okay, is equal to IF is the current flowing through the feedback resistor REF. Okay, hence here right now the VI minus V1 is equal to II R1. Okay, and V1 minus V0 is equal to IF REF. Okay, we also know that in an ideal operational amplifier the voltage at inverting and non-inverting inputs are always equal. Okay, here we also know that in an ideal operational amplifier the voltage of inverting and non-inverting input are always equal. Okay, so here as we have grounded the non-inverting terminal, as we have the grounded the non-inverting terminal, 0 voltage appears at the non-inverting terminal. Okay, that means the non-inverting terminal is connected to the ground, so ground voltage is the 0 volt. So 0 volt appears at the non-inverting terminal. That means here V2 is equal to 0 because of the this V2 is connected to the ground. Okay, so ground voltage is the 0 volt. Okay, so that means the V2 is equal to 0. Okay, here hence the V1 is equal to 0. V1 is equal to 0 because of the non-inverting terminal is also connected to the ground, so the ground voltage is the 0 volt. V1 is equal to 0 also, so we can write now the VI minus 0 is equal to IF RI. Okay, and 0 minus V0 is equal to IF RF. Okay, put in the equation V2 is equal to 0 and V1 is equal to 0. Okay, from above two equations we get here above two equations, here right now the we get in minus phi 0 upon phi I is equal to IF REF upon IF RI. Okay, is equal to phi 0 upon phi I. Okay, so here right now the minus IF REF upon IF RI. Okay, so is equal to output voltage upon input voltage phi I. Okay, is equal to the minus REF upon RI. Okay, so the voltage gain of the inverting amplifier. Okay, voltage gain of the inverting amplifier or inverting operational amplifier is, here right now the voltage gain AV is equal to minus REF upon RI. Okay, minus REF upon RI. Okay, this indicates that the voltage gain of the inverting amplifier is decided by the ratio of the feedback resistor REF to the input resistor RI, with the minus sign indicate the phase reversal. Okay, minus sign is indicate the phase reversal. That means the output is gives the out of phase by in a input in a 180 degree. That means the input, when input is positive, then output gives in a negative. So out of phase in 180 degree. Okay, further it is to be noted that the input impedance of the inverting amplifier is nothing but Ri. It is to be noted that the input impedance of the inverting operational amplifier is nothing but Ri. Ri means the input resistor. Okay, in that the inverting amplifiers exhibit excellent linear characteristics. That means the output is the inverting operational amplifier output is the linear characteristics. Okay, which make them ideal as the DC amplifier. Moreover, they are often used to convert input current to the output voltage in the form of trans resistance or trans impedance amplifier. Okay, they are often used in the, that means this inverting operational amplifier is used in the to convert the input current to the output voltage. Input current to the output voltage in the forms of the trans resistance or trans impedance amplifier. Okay, further these can be also be used in audio mixture when used in the form of summing amplifier. Okay, that means this inverting operational amplifier. Okay, this connection is used in a summing amplifier. Okay, used in a audio mixture. Okay, used in a audio mixture form of the summing amplifier. Okay, and AV, gain of the voltage gain. Okay, AV is equal to ratio of the feedback resistor into input resistor. These are the inverting operational amplifier voltage gain. Okay, you got it all of you. आपण काय पाहिलं आज तर थर्ड युनिट आपण चालू केलेलं आहे. याच्यामध्ये आपण थर्ड युनिट कोणता असेल तर ऑपरेशनल ॲम्प्लिफायर लिनियर सिस्टीम्स. इन दॅट फर्स्ट आर्टिकल काय पाहिलं तर व्हर्च्युअल ग्राउंड. ओके, सिम्पल आर्टिकल आहे. व्हर्च्युअल ग्राउंड कशाला म्हणायचं तर व्हर्च्युअल ग्राउंड हे काय असतं तर आपलं सिम्पल ग्राउंड असतं. ओके, दॅट मीन्स द व्हर्च्युअल ग्राउंड इज इक्वल टू द ग्राउंड व्होल्टेज. दॅट मीन्स द 0 volt. Okay, and in that consist of the second article is the इन्व्हर्टिंग ॲम्प्लिफायर. ओके, इन्व्हर्टिंग ॲम्प्लिफायर म्हणजे काय पाहिलं आपण. याच्यामध्ये काय होतं इन्व्हर्टिंग ॲम्प्लिफायरमध्ये तर इन्व्हर्टिंग टर्मिनलला इनपुट प्रोव्हाइड केलेलं असतं किंवा इनपुट सप्लाय दिलेला असतो आणि नॉन इन्व्हर्टिंग टर्मिनलला काय केलेलं असतं ग्राउंड केलेलं असतं. Okay, here used in a virtual ground. Okay, virtual ground means the V1 is equal to 0, V2 is equal to 0. Okay, so output voltage gain is equal to ratio of the output voltage into input voltage. So where the Vi minus V1 is equal to II into Ri, and V1 minus V0 is equal to If into Ref. Okay, however here consider the flowing current. Okay, input terminal flowing current is equal or 0. Equal means the 0. So I1 is equal to I2 is equal to 0. So here I is equal to IF. Okay. Now that in that the from gives to the different voltage or current flowing through the this inverting operational amplifier. Okay, this configuration. So gain of the voltage gain of the inverting operational amplifier is equal to the ratio of the feedback resistor. Okay, that means the feedback resistor REF into the input resistor RI. Okay, and here sign minus sign indicate. Okay, minus sign is indicate the phase reversal. That means the input is supplied to the input is the positive, then output gives in a negative. When input is the negative, then output gives in a positive. Okay, you got it, all of you. Okay, so this article, I think this article completed here. So today stop here. Okay, all of you, thank you everyone.